Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your headphone jack is not working on iPhone 15, this video is going to show you the exact fixes that you can try in 2026. So first of all, let's clear this confusion. iPhone 15 does not come with 3.5 mm headphone jack. So if you are trying to plug in the wired headphones directly, it won't work. So you will need to use a USB-C wired headphones or a USB-C to 3.5 mm adapter. If you are using a USB-C to 3.5 mm adapter, just make sure that it supports audio and not just the charging. You can use an original or certified adapter because cheap or unsupported adapters often fail or don't detect the headphones. Now, sometimes the dust or lint inside the port can block the proper connection. So you can just simply use a soft brush or toothpick carefully in order to clean the port. Do not use any metal objects. After cleaning, you can reconnect your headphones and then you can test it again. Now, not all wired headphones work properly with USB-C, so you can try another pair of headphones or you can try another USB-C headphones directly. If another pair works, it means that the issue is with your original headphones. Now, temporary glitches can also block the audio output. So in this case, you can simply restart your iPhone and then you can plug in the headphones again. This particular step also refreshes the system audio detection. Now, sometimes the audio is routed to another device. So you can go to your control center and then you can look for the option of audio output. Just make sure that it is set to the wired headphones. Also, disconnect any Bluetooth devices to avoid the conflict. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.